Hello everyone. I am Kellen from Guangzhou Lifu. Today we will introduce the VOANDOS Laser Beam Alignment Tool. Laser Beam Visualizer. As the mainstream detector of current intruder alarm system, laser beam detector has the characteristics of high energy, strong penetrating power and long detection distance, so it is more and more welcomed by the market. With the popularization and application of the detector, the beam alignment has increasingly become an industry problem. How to allow users to complete beam alignment in the most efficient and convenient way is also a challenge for laser detector manufacturers. As a professional manufacturer of laser alignment, Guangzhou Lifu is committed to continuously improving the quality of laser alignment, and at the same time, we also developed our own beam alignment tool for users. In order to let everyone has a deeper understanding of the laser beam visualizer, let me give a detailed introduction to you. First, appearance. You can see that the front of this visualizer in my hand consists of a 7-inch display, and handles on both sides. The back is made up of a video camera, charging jack and power switch. Before using, first turn on the power switch on the side of the debugging instrument, and then observe the position and size of the laser spot through the display on the front of the product. There are two alignment methods for the laser beam visualizer. First, beam reflection method. The laser beam visualizer is suitable for use in low ambient light conditions, such as indoor use, or use at night in outdoor places. At the installation site of the laser detector, the on-site users use the visualizer to match a piece of cardboard, with a size of 60×90 cm. When the beam emitted by the laser transmitter is projected on the cardboard, it can be clearly displayed on the cardboard through the visualizer. By observing the direction and position of each laser beam projected, the user can judge whether the beam direction of the laser transmitter is consistent with the position of the receiving window of the laser receiver by observing the position of the laser beam spot emitted by the laser transmitter. The result of the observation is notified to the person who prepare to adjust the beams behind the transmitter so that we can easily complete the precise alignment of the laser transmitter and the laser receiver. Second, direct beam searching method. Direct beam searching method is suitable for places where the distance between the laser transmitter and the laser receiver is relatively long, or there is a water surface or a bridge between the transmitter and the receiver where it is inconvenient to use the first method. Person A holds the device and faces the laser transmitter, and the camera of the visualizer points to the laser transmitter. When a bright spot appears on the display of the visualizer, it means the visualizer is facing a certain beam of the laser transmitter. At this time, as long as the person B behind the transmitter is notified to block each beam outlet of the transmitter by hand, it can be determined that the light spot observed corresponds to which beam of the transmitter. A moves the visualizer up, down, left and right. When the light spot on the display of the visualizer is the brightest and largest, it means that the visualizer is facing the central focus of the beam at this time. According to the position of the spot, person A can judge whether the center point of the beam deviates from the receiving window of the corresponding beam of the laser receiver. If the center point of the beam deviates from the receiving window corresponding to the receiver, notify the colleagues on the transmitter side to adjust the x-axis or y-axis of the corresponding beam of the transmitter until the central focal point of the beam is directly on the receiving window of the corresponding beam of the receiver. According to the above method, the users can accurately adjust each beam of the laser transmitter to the position of the corresponding receiving window of each beam. The birth of the visualizer completely solves the problem that the invisible light laser intrusion detector is difficult to achieve fast and accurate alignment during the installation and debugging process. The equipment has been authorized to be patented products. Thank you for your patience. See you next time.